John Schreiber is CEO and co-portfolio manager of WBI Funds. Wayne Kaufman is chief market analyst with John Thomas Financial. Gentlemen, good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
Wait. Give us an idea for the weekend.
Okay. I've got three of them. TRW Automotive, which I've recommended before, is up 100% from my first time recommending it here, benefiting from rebirth of the automobile industry plus global auto growth. Joy Global, big mining company similar to Bucyrus that was taken over by Caterpillar, benefiting from global growth, commodities growth. In China, they're building over the next 15 years 50,000 skyscrapers, the equivalent of 10 Manhattans. There's a lot of basic materials going to go into it. Yeah. And the other one is GRU, which is a grains exchange traded note, and we all see what's happening with grains, and right now we see wheat prices skyrocketing. We know that so much is going to ethanol, but also in China, the world's largest consumer of wheat, there's drought conditions there, and if they don't clear up very shortly, China may actually have to import grain for the first time in many, many years, and that would add more pressure on the upside.
Okay, just a word to our viewers. ETNs, ETFs, what?
Nothing. On a note, you don't.
You got to do some research on what exactly you're buying. Wayne knows what he's buying, but you got to educate yourself. Tom, what about you?
Well, I like three stocks. DPL is a utility, still has good value based on earnings here, has a 5% dividend yield. We like a more conservative or defensive approach right now as the market starts to get a little bit more richly valued. Like BlackRock, which is an asset manager, is actually got really great growth dynamics in terms of revenue and earnings. And asset values are increasing. This is a pretty easy story. If the market's going up, they're gonna print better numbers next quarter. This stock's really undervalued. WPO, broadcast and media, not a traditional play for us, 2% dividend, but really undervalued, and we think advertising revenues are going to come back this year and start to really push some of these companies where they were really struggling before.
See, Rupert Murdoch bought $20 million worth of his own stock this week.
Yep.
On that same story, on the rebound story. Gentlemen, we've got to leave it there. We're out of time.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, John and Wayne. Thank you both for coming in.